What's the meaning of cadet? Cadet. Cadet.
Cadet. Cadet. The word cadet refers to a young person who is training to become a member of the armed forces or a police force. Typically, cadets are in their late teens or early 20s and are undergoing rigorous physical and mental training to prepare them for a career in the military or law enforcement. Cadet training programs vary in length and content depending on the organization, but often include courses in weapons handling, tactics, first aid, and leadership. Upon completion of their training, cadets may be commissioned as officers or sworn in as police officers, depending on their chosen career path.